What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about if you're new to dropshipping or if you're struggling with dropshipping. That could be any type. That could be dropshipping on Amazon, eBay. It doesn't matter if you're new, or especially if you're struggling with that business model, then you should come and try this, and I'm going to explain what that is in just a second. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, what the hell am I on about? So you could be struggling with eBay dropshipping, you could be struggling with Amazon, you could just be struggling with that kind of business. If you are, then this video is for you, and stick around to the end so you get a full understanding of what this is. So, what actually is this? Well, as you can probably see from my videos just here, this is selling low content books over on Amazon. Yep, low content books is actually a thing. So with these low content books, what you do, you can create notebooks, planners, journals, sketchbooks, blank recipe cookbooks. All you do is create the interior of the book, the manuscript, which you can do completely for free. Then you create the cover as well, which you can do again completely for free. You upload that to Amazon, again completely for free. Then every time that sells, Amazon's going to print that book on demand and send it off to your customers and send you royalties. So you don't have to do no fulfilling customer service, you don't have to do anything like that, because this is completely passive. Now I'm going to show you a few things. First, I'm going to show you my books. These are all my books at the minute. I do have some in review, but if we go down to the bottom, I've been doing this a few months now and I have over 700 books published. So quite a few, but I do work on this business every single day. So let me show you one of these low content books. Now this is not mine, this is one I just pulled up to show you guys. This is someone's sketchbook. So they created this cover and then they created the interior. As you can see, somewhere a little place for someone to put their name, and then these pages, oh, it's not going to show me, but these are literally blank pages. Let me pull up a different one. Let's go to this one. These are literally blank pages in a book. So they've created that cover. If we go through, the first page says blank drawing sketchbook, obviously because this is a sketchbook. Then these pages are pretty much blank. Now they have got a little bit here on the page, these little corner bits, because you can't have completely blank pages when you upload to KDP. But again, this is really easy to do. Could you do this? Hell yeah, you could do this. All you have to do is create the manuscript completely for free and create a cover. Now, a good thing about this, once you've created this interior, you can just use it over and over again and create a new cover. Now, what kind of money could you expect to make from this? Well, that is completely different for everyone. It all depends on your books, your sales. There's so many different factors. All I can do is show you my results so far. So, let's go over to my reports, and I'll show you how much I've made since I've been doing this. So I've been doing this nearly 3 months now, so let's go to 90 days. If we scroll down, I've made over $2,000 and £371 with a little bit of change. This is my best month so far, so pretty much half of this has just come from February. So let's go over to February and I'll show you that as well. So January, February, let's just do month to date. We'll scroll down. That's over $1,237 just this month alone. Completely passive. Now, if you're interested in doing this, then I do have a course. It's the first link in the description below, so you can go through and check that. Also, if you just want to know more about this, you can watch some more videos on my channel, or come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. Again, there's a link down below. Now, within here in the Stackers Inner Circle, if you just want to get going and start trying to work things out on your own, then I do have a video just here which is going to show you how to create the cover, and I've given away a few interiors just so you can get started straight away. You can also see what other people are saying about this business and see the results that people are getting as well. So come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. Now, when it comes to these low content books, you do need an Amazon KDP account. That's Kindle Direct Publishing, because this is where we publish our books. Now, this is mainly known for obviously Kindle books, but they do print on demand books as well, and that's how we can sell these low content books. So if you're struggling with drop shipping and not making many sales, come and give this a go. This business I just run within a couple of hours a day, give or take, and I've managed to get these results. Could you get these results as well? You probably could. I can't guarantee it. I don't know you. I don't know your work ethic. I don't know if you will stick at this business. But all I can say is this is the easiest business model I have ever started. And it's just a great passive income stream. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.